Hi there, welcome to Social Waves AI, where creativity meets the power of artificial intelligence. Are you a content creator, entrepreneur, or just someone curious about the limitless potential of AI in social media? Look no further. Social Waves AI is here to transform the way you approach digital creativity. Social Waves AI is your guide on this journey into the amazing world of AI-driven content creation. On our channel, we dive deep into the latest AI tools, tutorials, tips, and hacks to supercharge your social media presence. From creating viral-worthy content to mastering time-saving AI tools, Social Waves AI is your one-stop destination for practical, easy-to-follow guidance.
I never thought I could create such eye-catching posts without spending hours. Social Waves AI made it effortless.
My engagement has doubled since I started applying their tips. It's like having a secret weapon for social media.
On Instagram, you'll find bite-sized tips, creative inspiration, and behind-the-scenes insights that keep you ahead of the game. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Social Waves AI on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. Let's ride the wave of creativity and make your social media dreams a reality. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button, follow us on Instagram, and turn your social media into a masterpiece with Social Waves AI.